Hello and welcome back to VividPM. Today we have an essential topic to discuss in time management, the Pomodoro technique. In this video, we will delve into what the Pomodoro technique is and how it can supercharge your productivity. Let's get started. So, what exactly is the Pomodoro technique? It's a time management method developed by Francisco Cirillo in the late 1980s. The name Pomodoro is Italian for tomato, inspired by the tomato-shaped kitchen timer Cirillo used as a university student. This technique is designed to help you work with time rather than against it. The Pomodoro technique involves 5 simple steps. First, choose a specific task to focus on, then set a timer for 25 minutes, which is known as 1 Pomodoro. During this time, give your undivided attention to the task at hand. When the timer rings, take a short 5 minutes break to relax and recharge, marking the completion of 1 Pomodoro cycle. After completing 4 Pomodoros, allow yourself a more extended break of 15 to 30 minutes. This method optimizes productivity and provides necessary intervals for rejuvenation. Now, you might be wondering, why does this technique work so well? It's all about harnessing the power of focused work and short frequent breaks. Here is why it's effective. Focus. The 25 minutes timer forces you to concentrate solely on the task at hand, eliminating distractions. Productivity. Knowing you have a break coming up can boost your productivity as you race against the clock to accomplish as much as possible. Prevents burnout. Regular short breaks help prevent burnout and maintain mental freshness. Incremental progress. The technique encourages you to break down tasks into manageable chunks, making them less intimidating. Let's talk about the benefits of using the Pomodoro technique. Enhanced focus. It sharpens your focus and boosts concentration. Increased productivity. It maximizes your output in a short span. Better time management. It helps you allocate time efficiently to tasks. Reduced stress. Frequent breaks reduce stress and prevent burnout. Improve work-life balance. It encourages you to work with breaks, promoting a healthier work-life balance. There are a lot of popular tools for managing your time using the Pomodoro technique. Pomodoro is a simple web-based tool that lets users easily set up the Pomodoro timer, breaking tasks into concentrated intervals. For those wanting to combine the Pomodoro technique with time tracking, Toggle Track offers a comprehensive solution. If you're an Apple enthusiast, you can use Be Focused, ensuring a seamless experience across your devices. In summary, the Pomodoro technique is a fantastic tool for time management in the world of project and product management. By breaking your work into focused intervals and incorporating regular breaks, you can skyrocket your productivity and conquer your to-do list with ease. Hope this video helped you to understand the Pomodoro technique. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. We post new videos every week, so subscribe and get notified when we post new content. If you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover, let us know in the comments. Sign up for our weekly newsletter and we will send our videos to your email every Friday. See you soon with another topic.